Hello friends, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today let's learn how to create bold and italic texts using CSS in HTML. Create here a p tag, then type a text in it. Next, create p1 tag, then type a text in it. First, we will type CSS for the p tag to create a bold text. We have here font weight bold. Now our first text has turned bold. Next, type CSS for the p1 tag to generate an italic text. We have here our font style italic. Our second text has appeared in italic. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.